It's showtime, folks. So as we gear up for an incredible 2024, let's take a moment to reflect on the year that just passed, 2023. Now, I'm not here to dwell on missed opportunities or throw a pity party, but let's be real. How many of us set goals, dreamed big dreams, and envisioned a version of ourselves achieving greatness in 2023? Picture this: the clock ticking down to midnight, the excitement of a new year ahead, and a list of goals dancing in our minds. Fast forward to now. How many of those goals did we actually conquer? How many dreams did we turn into reality? If you're feeling a pang of regret, it's okay. Regret is a powerful teacher. It's not about dwelling on the could-haves, should-haves, or would-haves. It's about realizing the potential that slipped through our fingers. But here's the kicker: we don't want to repeat that story in 2024, do we? All right, fellow go-getters, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of transforming our lives. The first step is to reflect on what held us back. Was it procrastination, fear, or perhaps a lack of focus? Identifying these roadblocks is crucial because, guess what? We're leaving them in the past. Now, let's talk about setting goals, not just any goals, SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your aspirations into actionable steps, making them more manageable and, importantly, trackable. This is your roadmap to success. But here's the deal: goals without a plan are just dreams. So, let's get practical. Grab a pen and paper or open your favorite productivity app. Outline the steps needed to achieve your goals, set deadlines, and create a timeline for success. This level of detail turns your dreams into a blueprint for an extraordinary life. Now, let's tackle the mindset. Positive thinking isn't just a cliche, it's a game changer. Cultivate a mindset that believes in your ability to overcome challenges and achieve greatness. Surround yourself with positivity, whether it's through affirmations, motivational videos, or supportive friends. Your mindset is the driving force behind your success. Speaking of driving forces, accountability is your co-pilot. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or even our community here. Having someone to check in with adds a layer of accountability that propels you forward, especially on those days when motivation takes a backseat. Now, let's address the power of habits. Small, consistent actions add up to significant change. Identify habits that align with your goals and make them a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Whether it's exercising, reading, or dedicating time to your passion, habits shape your life. Let's not forget about self-care. Burnout is the enemy of progress. Prioritize your well-being by getting enough sleep, nourishing your body, and taking breaks when needed. A healthy you is a powerful you. And now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown. It's time to show fear the exit door. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Understand that the unknown is where growth happens. Face your fears head-on, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Lastly, let's foster gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. It's a simple yet potent tool for attracting positivity and abundance. In conclusion, 2024 is not just another year. It's your opportunity for a fresh start. Armed with self-awareness, concrete goals, a positive mindset, accountability, healthy habits, self-care, courage, and gratitude, you have the power to change your life in ways you never thought possible. So, are you ready to turn those regrets into triumphs? I believe in you. We believe in you. Let's make 2024 the year that changes everything. Stay tuned for more practical tips, motivation, and success stories. Together, we're rewriting the script of our lives. Let's make it epic.